Hello! Hi! Our guest from... Where you guys from?
London.
London, wow! Imported! Diba? Yung ating mga guests today. So we're having a island hopping tour for today. And our first stopover, we're here at Balinghay Beach as of this moment. And right now, tapos na kami and we're on our way na going to Magic Island because that's their that's the island that they wanted to go.
Having fun? Are you having fun?
Ayan.
Josh.
So paalis na po kami. So the weather today, it's not bad, it's not good. Normal lang, hindi masyadong mainit. It's a bit cloudy.
Then you need to sit like an Indian sit. Okay.
How's the experience in Boracay?
It's really white, soft sand.
Is it your first time, right? First time. Oh, what's your name again? Josh and Vivian. I like your name. Very royal blood. Vivian. How do you pronounce that in like in London?
In a
Vivian.
British accent. In a British accent.
Yes. Vivian. In France accent. Vivier.
He speaks French.
Oh. Bonjour. Yeah. So guys, if you really wanted to book our service, all you have to do is to message us sa ating Facebook at Instagram page, Luxury Sports. So ito po yung boat na aming ini-offer sa inyo. May mga nets sa magkabila. With our Captain Haikal. Yeah. And malay niyo ako yung maging tour guide niyo dito sa Boracay Island, di ba? For your island hopping or yacht cruise adventure. So, ang ganda ng ating tubig right now, oh. Medyo malakas na yung hangin. It's a bit windy na, mga ka-islanders. So, yan na, it's super wavy na. Yes! Para kami nasa West Philippine Sea. Medyo malakas na po yung alon, mga ka-islanders. So, ayan. Yeah! Oh my God, the wave is so back. Yeah. No. Balik na lang tayo kasi mas malakas daw ang alon dito.
Okay.
Compare doon sa Pupa Beach. Kasi tinan mo, actually yun na yung Magic Island. But no boats because wala.
That's strong wave.
Super strong. For safe. Minabuti na lang namin na bumalik na. Hindi na namin kinaya na makapunta ng Crystal Cove. Ay, hindi pala Crystal Cove, Magic Island, which is yun pa naman yung gusto ng mga guests natin. But for safety reason, ayaw ko naman i-risk yung kanilang safety para lang makapunta sila ng Magic Island, diba? So, pabalik na kami. So, yung gagawin na lang namin is maliligo na lang kami, magsusnorkeling na lang kami sa may... Saan tayo pwede mag-snorkeling? Coral Garden. Sa may Coral Garden na lang kami magsusnorkeling until matapos. Tapos, pupunta na kami ng lunch. Ang ano dito, yung wave, kalakas. Oh. Tingnan nyo, oh. Talagang nangangalit. Galit na galit yung dagat ngayon. Ewan ko ba kung bakit. Are you ready to swim? Meron pala kayong dalang...
Yeah, dapat na-isuot namin kanina.
Yes. May mga Koreans doon na nag-swimming din.
Kailangan ko mag-swimming.
Oo. Oo. Yan yung isa sa mga fertilizer ng mga fish here.
Urea.
So, our guests are preparing now for the snorkeling area. May mga snorkeling sila. Ay, maliligo ka rin. Taray! Ayan yung ating boat, mga Kailanders. So, di ba? Ang ganda ng aming boat. Hindi siya chipanga. May mga net. Oh, dyan kasi may ano dyan, may ladder. Yeah, you guys can jump if you wanna jump. Yeah, there, oh. So, malalim naman to. Mga nasa 7 to 8 meters. Ay, mga 6 to 7 lang ata meters.
Palubog na palubog.
Tingnan niyo yung kasamahan natin, oh. Nililinis niya yung boat, oh. Wow, linis lang ng linis, 'di ba? Okay, jump, jump. 'Di ba? May mga isda.
Isda ba?
Meron. May pating. There's, by the way, there's shark. But the shark here is fully boosted already. Ayan, so guys, ito yung mga eksena at kaganapan natin here sa Boracay Island. So, talagang mabubuk niyo po ito, mga Ka-Islanders, only if you're gonna choose us as your travel authority here sa isla ng Boracay. So, ayan. Mag-message na po kayo sa ating Facebook at Instagram, Logshore Sports, mga Ka-Islanders. Nagsisnorkel na yung ating mga guests. There you go. Anyways, dito tayo sa pinakatok-tok ng boat. Yes! So kahit na medyo cloudy, hindi naman siya umulan. Thank God. Wala pong bagyo, by the way. So, guys, do you need life vest? So, ako lang dito. I'm here. I'm watching them. Yung aura-aura tayo dito. So, that's my job as a tour guide, to always make sure and watch my guests na they're having fun, okay, at mag-enjoy sila sa kanilang ginagawa. So tapos na kami dito sa Mayangol Beach and papunta na kami ng Coral Garden para doon kami mag second snorkeling. Dito yung ginawa namin here is swimming lang siya para ma-experience ng mga guests na meron silang maraming options. And then punta na kami ng Coral Garden para doon mag-snorkeling kasi mas bet ng guests na mag-snorkeling kaysa mag-swimming kasi gusto nila makakita ng mga fish and corals. At may Coral Garden for our second snorkeling activity. So kanina nag-ano kami, nag-swimming lang, dito naman is snorkeling. Are you ready to snorkel? The water is so clear. Oops! Good? Okay. Are you ready, guys? If you want to jump there, you can. Jump, jump, jump. So earlier kanina, medyo yung panahon natin is hindi maganda. Windy, hindi siya windy, cloudy. Pero right now, medyo umaayon na yung kapaligiran. Pero malakas yung alon actually. The sad part is we weren't able to go to like Crystal, Puka, and Magic Island. It's because of the weather. So, point to point lang yung ating island hopping today. Ibig sabihin, from Station 1 to Station 3 lang. Pero what I did, di ba? Kung nakita niyo naman sa video, I tried my best na makalusot kami but hindi kinaya. At ayoko nga i-risk yung aking mga guests for safety reason, di ba? So, enjoy your snorkel! Ayan na. Guys, kung gusto niyo i-book ang private island hopping tour na to, mag-message na kayo! Para naman na magkapera kami sa Boracay. Di ba, Kap? Wala na kaming booking. Ang tagal ko nang walang booking. Talagang puspusan ang paghahanap nila ng mga isda, no? Ayan sila, oh. Hanap lang kayo ng isda, makakain natin. Yung mga boat na to, mga kailaners, kung nakikita ninyo, ito yung mga boat na for joiners, yung mga big boats, na yung mga capacities, mga nasa 40 to 50 na guests, depende. So kapag gusto niyo ng joiners na island hopping, ito yung mga boats na sasakyan ninyo. Tapos ito naman yung mga private natin, boats. Of course, yes. So that's it for today. We're done with the island hopping. And then, papunta na kami ng launch area. So unfortunately, yung bangka hindi na makakapunta sa launch area. Hindi na makakapag-drop off doon. It's because super lakas ng alon. So ang gagawin na lang namin, sasakay kami ng e-trike going to Tapisahan Beach para mag-launch. Guys, nandito na kami sa launch area. So ito yung lunch ng ating mga guests. Diba? Ang perfect ng lunch nila, oh. We have lots of seafood. Oh. Completos Ricados. Talagang hindi tinipid yung aming lunch. Talagang super perfect ng Bulo Fight setup lunch nila. So kung gusto niyo ito i-book mga ka-islanders, alam niyo na yung mga kaganapan. Okay? At look at the area. It's beachfront. Diba? Beachfront. Bakla kayo. Char. Ayan. So, this is our location though. It's sa Kubo. Nasa Kubo tayo. Ayan. And, tingnan nyo naman yung ating tubig. Our official water, Evian. O, diba? So, saan pa kayo? Talagang hindi tinipid yung ating mga pagkain dito sa Boracay Island, especially sa Vulture Sports. So, mag-book na po kayo ng private island hopping sa amin at rest assured na wala kayong ma-experience kundi satisfaction.